Thanks for being in my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the exercise 1.2 first bit problem. So what is the first bit here? Represent these numbers on the number line. So what are the numbers given here? Two rational numbers given, that is 9 by 7 and minus 7 by 5. So I will explain you a little bit about the number line. See, in the number line it is a 0, right? So if I move towards the right hand side from the 0, I will get the positive numbers. So if I move towards the left hand side, I will get the negative numbers. So I want to explain in Telugu. So మనం 0 నుండి రైట్ సైడ్కి వెళ్తే పాజిటివ్ నంబర్స్ జనరేట్ అవుతుంటాయి. సో 0 నుండి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్కి వెళ్తే నెగిటివ్ నంబర్స్ జనరేట్ అవుతాయి. So now see, so 9 by 7 is the first question. 9 by 7 is nothing but it is a positive number. It is a positive rational number. So I took here the rational number. So here this is a 0. So 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7. 7 by 7 is nothing but what? 7 by 7 is nothing but your 1. Next, 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7. Okay. Actually, what is question? 9 by 7 we have to represent. This is your 9 by 7. This is your 9 by 7. That's it. Okay. This is your first solution. Next, moving to the next solution. Minus 7 by 5. Minus 7 by 5. So minus 7 by 5. See here. How to represent the minus 7 by 5? This is my 0. So if from the 0, if I move towards the left hand side, 0 nundi left hand side move aithe naku negative number generate avutundi. Yes or no? Yes. So from 0 I am moving leftward. So minus 5 by 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 4 by minus 5 by 5. So minus 5 by 5 is nothing but minus 1. Next, minus 6 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 9 by 5, minus 10 by 5, and so on. But what we need to represent? Minus 7 by 5 on the number line. So here is your minus 7 by 5. Here is your minus 7 by 5. That's it. So that's all about this question. Okay, we will next we are going to solve the next question. Now back to the second question. What is the second question here? Represent minus 2 by 13, comma 5 by 13, comma minus 9 by 13 on the number line. See now, so here denominators are same. All denominators are same here, 13, 13, 13. No need to take 3 number lines. No need to take 3 number lines. We can represent this all on one number line itself. Okay. So here denominators different ఉన్నాయి కనుక, so you should not take 3 different number lines. మనం 3 number lines తీసుకోవడం అవసరం లేదు. We can represent this 3 fractions, 3 rational numbers on single number line. Okay. Right. Let us consider this as 0. Now if I move towards my right hand side, positive numbers will generate. So as our denominator 13, I am considering it as 13, 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13, 6 by 13, 7 by 13, 8 by 13, and so on. Right. So next one, if I move towards my left hand side, the negative numbers will generate. Minus 1 by 13, minus 2 by 13, minus 3 by 13, minus 4 by 13, minus 5 by 13, minus 6 by 13, minus 7 by 13, minus 8 by 13, minus 9 by 13, minus 10 by 13, and so on. Right. First, what is my rational number? Minus 2 by 13. So what is my minus 2 by 13? So this is your first rational number. Next, what is the next rational number? 5 by 13. This is a positive, right? So here this is your positive 5 by 13. Next, last, minus 9 by 13. So where is your minus 9 by 13? Here it is your minus 9 by 13. It is a negative rational number. Yes or no? Yes. So this is about your second solution. Okay, we will see in the third solution. What is the third solution?